Okay, here's a quick little video I'm going to show you. The welding torch on my mightymig, whatever it is, decided to die. So I bought one of them cheap eBay ones. Looks like this. And when it came through, I was taking the old one off and I noticed that the old one only had one wire, which connected to this plug over here. So I connected one of the wires to there. The new plug, the new one, even though it didn't say in the description, come with two wires. You can see the two pink wires. And basically, I just wanted to share that I found if you put that other wire onto the same connection as the main welder wire that is there, it comes in and down and into the gun here, then your unit will work. And so I've done mine, and now it works. If I turn it on, pull the trigger, it works. Enjoy.